What would happen if a household keeps and never throws out their garbage and leftover food? Click on the Sundays on the calendar, starting with the first Sunday of the month, and observe. Like a house, the body needs cleaning and cleansing too. We need to remove the waste products from our body. These very important cleaning and cleansing processes in a human body is called excretion. Excretion is the removal of waste products such as sweat, urine, and carbon dioxide through the excretory system. Without the excretory system, or if the excretory system is not functioning well, many problems can develop through toxins buildup that will harm the body. In this unit, you are going to learn. Imagine yourself jogging under a hot, sunny weather. Your skin is sticky and wet. Your breathing becomes heavy. After jogging, you drink a lot of water and suddenly feel the urge to pass urine. Sweating, breathing, and passing urine are all processes of excretion. Do you know what excretion is? Excretion is a process of removing waste from the body. Wastes are produced as a result of chemical reactions in the body. Wastes produced by the excretory organs need to be removed from the body. Is to absorb oxygen into the bloodstream and release carbon dioxide while breathing. Click the lungs to explore further. Bronchiole, trachea, alveolus, bronchiole. What are the excretory products of the lungs? How are they removed? Observe the animation. Cells in the body produce carbon dioxide and water as excretory products. Our bloodstream transports these products back to the lungs. When it reaches the alveoli in the lungs, carbon dioxide and water diffuse through the alveolar wall into the lungs. We then exhale the carbon dioxide and water vapor. This is how the lungs help to excrete carbon dioxide and water. Can you identify the components of the kidneys? Do you know how the kidneys work? Observe the animation. Our urinary system is made up of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. Blood travels into the kidneys and excretory substances are filtered out as urea, uric acid, salt, and water. All these substances combine to make urine. Urine flows down from the kidneys into our urinary bladder. The bladder can hold up to 16 ounces or 2 cups of urine comfortably for 2 to 5 hours. The body then removes urine through urination. Do you know that the skin is the biggest organ in our body? Besides protecting internal organs from the environment, the skin also helps with our body's excretion. The skin is made up of 2 layers, dermis and epidermis. The epidermis is the top part of the skin. The dermis is thicker than the epidermis and lies underneath it. Can you name parts of the skin? Click on the athlete's skin to see the parts. Fatty cells, sweat duct, sweat gland. On average, a person has over 2.6 million sweat glands in their skin. Sweat duct, fatty cells, sebaceous or oil gland, the pore, hair. The skin excretes sweat. Do you know how sweat is produced by the skin? Observe how this happens. Oil glands, hair follicles, fatty layers, nerves, and sweat glands can be found in the thicker layer or dermis of the skin. The sweat glands are entangled with blood capillaries underneath the skin. Waste such as water, salt, and urea from the blood capillaries are absorbed into the sweat glands. When our body temperature rises, the sweat gland will release sweat. The sweat will travel up the duct and out through our skin's pores. A cooling effect is created when the water evaporates from the skin. And this is how we sweat. We have learned about the human excretory process. Drag and drop the oil. Let us recall what wastes are produced by the body. This person seems unwell. Explore the body to find out what wastes have accumulated in this person's body. Mouse over his body to go over any of the excretory organs, skin, lungs, and kidneys to find out. Why do you think excretion is important? Mouse over the kidney. Kidney excretes urine that will. How does the circulatory system help and assist? You now know the products of the excretion. Without excretion, the body will be filled with toxins that will harm other critical organs. We should exercise to encourage healthy excretion of waste and toxins from the body. Click on the correct answer. Which of Click on one of the questions. Excretion is the process of removing skin. Yes. Blood vessels. No. Lungs. Yes. Kidney. Yes. This is an excretory or brain. Skin. Yes. Click on one of the. What products are excreted from the lungs, kidney? Bacteria can gather in sweat glands, causing pimples and warts. Excretion encourages moisture evaporation on skin. This cools the body. Kidney excretes urine that will maintain the level of water and salt in the blood. Excretion in the kidney also helps to maintain the blood thickness. The lungs remove carbon dioxide that is poisonous to the body.